5:45 on my way to pick big Stevie boy up. We're off on our way to Czech Republic. Czech Stunt days. We've got a 1250-mile journey there. Today we'll get through the Euro tunnel to the border between the Netherlands and Germany. That'll be about 10 hours, and then we'll have our final 11 hours of the journey tomorrow. Here he is, keen as mustard. Keen as mustard, waiting on the road. What you saying, Stevie boy? He's representing the JD Stunts as well, mush. Let's have it, mate. We are officially en route. Any words ahead of the journey, Stevie boy?
Absolutely over the moon.
Buzzing. Get us back to Czech.
After a year of being away, we come back.
Yeah, back.
What we do here is go back.
Smelly London. Fartford crossing, that's what it smells like.
The Fartford crossing.
Checked into the first stop of the trip, Venlo. What have you got there, Stevie boy?
We've got the keys to a very fast, very fast bike. A bit faster than the ones this weekend.
What's that in your other hand there, Mara?
It's a brand new hybrid battery, what's going to send us to the sky. Yeah, we in.
We in. Look at this.
4, 5, 3, 6.
Because look at you, try this out.
Hold on a second.
He's got a lighter.
Ready for it?
Oh then, not a 60. Is that electric or not?
Sport turbo. Is it on?
No.
Oh, guys, we on.
Oh, snake.
Are you in turbo? Wait till you put turbo on. Let's press the plus and press turbo. Can you feel it pulling off? Yes.
Oh! Oh yes. Day 2. How are you feeling, Big Steve?
Fresh as paint.
Fresh
Very
as
good
paint.
breakfast, by the way, 5-star.
We've got the balanced diet. We've got some naughty English breakfast with some, was it spinach and kale?
Spinach and kiwi.
Hot kiwi.
Just a booster.
Yes, we fresh.
Just cruising down the Autobahn, seeing the nice cars coming flying past. A bit dull and dingy like, but getting there.
Grey skies, grey skies. Look at this, Germany. 365 years old this is. Planted this last year. Get up there. It's lasted all year. Time for a new one. Should we go over the top or just to the side?
I've put it aside, I think. You got the old and the new.
Get in there. Look at that.
Brand new.
Get them windows cleaned, you.
Hey, can you reach the top?
Nah.
That's what we're at. 1 hour 45 minutes and we are touching down in Czech. Perfect.